London to uncover a mystery buried for nearly 2,000 years, a human skull that may reveal the brutal truth about life and death in Roman Britain.
In 1988, construction workers digging near London's Walbrook Stream made an astonishing discovery. As the machines carved through layers of earth, a glimmer of white emerged from the soil, the top of a human skull resting alone in the mud. No jaw, no skeleton, just a skull cleanly separated from the body.
Archaeologists from the Museum of London Archaeology soon took over. What they found was not a lone curiosity, but one of 40 human skulls scattered along the banks of the ancient Walbrook River. Many were decapitated. None were buried in graves.
These weren't ordinary burials. Roman law demanded proper funerals, yet here, in the heart of Roman Londinium, heads had been discarded like trophies, tossed into the water centuries ago. Who were they? Criminals, rebels, or perhaps gladiators? To understand this mystery, we must journey back almost 2 millennia, to the time when London was called Londinium, the westernmost outpost of the mighty Roman Empire. By the 2nd century A.D., Londinium was thriving, a center of commerce and military might. Yet beneath the surface, it was also a city of violence and spectacle. Amphitheaters rose from the ground, echoing with the roars of crowds and the clash of blades. Gladiators, slaves, prisoners, and volunteers fought for survival and glory.
The skulls found at Walbrook weren't the only clues. Many bore signs of trauma, clean cuts across the neck vertebrae, fractures from blunt force, and marks suggesting decapitation after death. These weren't simple executions. They were displays, brutal, deliberate, and possibly ceremonial.
According to Dr. Rebecca Redfern, curator at the Museum of London, these skulls could represent victims of public violence, perhaps from gladiatorial games held nearby. But there's another theory, one far darker. Some of these skulls belonged to young men in their 20s, physically strong.